These are the tips which make Blaenau Ffestiniog famous. You might think they look magnificent at this time of year, but unfortunately there's a problem. Rhododendron ponticum, the shrub that produces these striking purple flowers, is recognised by the Eryri National Park Authority as being one of the most troublesome invasive species in Eryri. It was first introduced to the UK from the Iberian Peninsula in the late 18th century as a decorative shrub and to provide cover on hunting estates. Unfortunately, it absolutely thrives in the damp climate of North Wales. And for over a century now, it's been spreading out of control. One plant can produce up to 1 million seeds every year. The problem is that this plant is toxic to wildlife. In 65 BCE, the Roman army under General Pompey was rendered incapable of fighting, having eaten so-called mad honey made by bees that had pollinated rhododendron plants. Today it's spreading across Eryri, replacing native habitats that support a wealth of insects and bird life, like the cuckoo and the chough, with an impenetrable canopy that supports very little. Environmental bodies like the Eryri National Park Authority, the National Trust and the Woodland Trust have spent a fortune controlling Rhododendron ponticum on their land. But here on the slate tips, it's a real problem as access is potentially dangerous. What can be done to control this huge seed source, which in turn could be spreading this invasive menace to other areas? If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments.